Hey, Lighthouse for Life family, we are so excited to be in the harbor again. And it's been a couple of weeks since we gave you an update. So much has happened. As you can see, we've got some furniture in already. Just brought that in this afternoon. The appliances are in the kitchen. The cabinets are up and the door handles are on. The hardware's on. The bathroom's almost ready. The ladies have some office furniture in their offices, and so much has happened. And we're so grateful to the Lord for all that He has done, all that you have done. I forgot to mention the mini blinds behind me as well. And we are looking forward to getting this completely furnished, and we'll give you updates as we can.